Number 1, 1986 Pace Car Edition Corvette, $6,000, Safford, Arizona. This white convertible Corvette, a special 1986 Pace Car Edition, offers a clean title and 132,000 miles on its odometer. Powered by an 8-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, it is rear-wheel drive and reported to have a smooth, reliable performance. All accessories, including air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, and mirrors, function correctly. The seller notes a minor oil leak from the pan gasket and a fuel tank venting issue, both relatively inexpensive fixes for a mechanically sound car. The newer convertible top, battery, and tires enhance its value. For a mid-80s Corvette enthusiast, this is an affordable driver with attention-grabbing curb appeal. Number 2, 1974 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, $13,000, Long Beach, California. Finished in silver with black leatherette upholstery, this coupe blends the elegance of the Ghia design with Volkswagen reliability. Its 4-speed manual transmission provides a direct, engaging drive, and the odometer shows approximately 80,000 miles. While some minor repairs are needed, such as door and engine lock fixes, a dashboard clock bulb replacement, and fuel gauge calibration, the car drives well and cruises at 65 to 70 miles per hour with ease. Included are 2 additional new tires, complementing the recent replacements already installed. This well-maintained example is perfect for collectors seeking a stylish, air-cooled classic. Number 3. 1977 Chrysler New Yorker, $10,500, Montrose, Minnesota. An exceptionally preserved full-size luxury coupe, this white 1977 Chrysler New Yorker shows fewer than 39,000 original miles. The 440 cubic inch V8 is known for its smooth power delivery and effortless cruising. The white vinyl roof is in pristine condition, while tires and brakes have seen less than 1,500 miles of use. With a clean title and near-showroom presentation, this model reflects Chrysler's commitment to comfort and presence during the late 1970s. An ideal choice for those seeking a classic American luxury cruiser in highly original condition. Number 4. 1958 8 Studebaker Silver Hawk, $16,750, Clarkfield, Minnesota. This rust-free Silver Hawk, painted a vibrant red, features a 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. With only 42,000 miles and 18 years under the same ownership, it benefits from reupholstered seats, fresh chrome on the bumpers, and excellent paint quality. The Silver Hawk represented Studebaker's stylish, performance-oriented side in the late 1950s, and well-preserved examples like this are increasingly rare. This car offers both vintage flair and collectible value. Number 5. 1968 Dodge Polara, $18,000, Long Beach, California. This full-size Mopar sedan presents in excellent condition with 97,000 miles. The new interior and fresh vinyl top greatly enhance its showroom feel, while the 8-cylinder engine delivers reliable power. Mostly original and garage-kept, this Dodge is a fine representative of late 1960s American luxury sedans. With a clean title and meticulous upkeep, it stands out as both a usable classic and a piece of Dodge's heritage. Number 6, 1966 Ford Mustang, $18,950, Bermuda Dunes, California. Equipped with its original C-code 289 cubic inch V8 and 3-speed automatic, this coupe has remained with one owner for the past 47 years. The straight body and preserved original features make it a highly desirable survivor. With only 39,000 miles, it remains in very good driver condition, offering both authenticity and classic Mustang charm. Clean titled examples in such unmolested form are increasingly difficult to find. Number 7, 1968 Ford XL Convertible, $19,500, Hesperia, California. Painted in sunlit gold with hideaway headlights and a power-operated soft top, this 390 V8-powered XL is a stylish, full-size convertible from Ford's performance luxury lineup. With 55,450 miles, a clean title, and garage-kept condition, it retains excellent presentation. The included Marti report verifies its authenticity. Large convertibles from this era are highly sought after, and this example combines comfort, style, and open-air cruising capability. Number 8, 1969 Chevrolet Camaro, $20,000, Garden Valley, California. This first-generation Camaro has a strong 350 cubic inch V8 and is largely rust-free, aside from a left rear quarter panel. The odometer is broken, and the interior is in need of significant restoration, though mechanically it runs, drives, and stops with new brakes and hydraulics. Originally silver with a black vinyl top, it retains its fender tag and VIN with a clear title. While not a turnkey show car, it's an appealing foundation for a full restoration of a legendary muscle car. Number 9, 1972 Chevrolet Nova two-door, $18,900, Chandler, Arizona. Although wearing SS badging, this Nova's VIN confirms it is not an authentic supersport model. The odometer is broken, but the car reportedly runs and drives strong, with the undercarriage and frame already refurbished. Some bodywork is needed to bring it to cosmetic perfection, but the mechanical integrity makes it an excellent starting point for a resto mod or period correct restoration. With over 10 years under the same owner, it has been well cared for mechanically. Number 10, 1965 Oldsmobile 98, $20,000, Victoria, Texas. All original and showing 107,473 miles, this luxury sedan has been stored indoors for many years. It will require a battery, new tires, and fuel system attention before returning to the road. With full electric features and AM radio, it reflects Oldsmobile's top-tier offering for 1965. For collectors seeking originality over restoration, this Olds 98 offers a complete, untouched example of mid-1960s American luxury. Number 11, 1965 Chevrolet Impala, $17,000, La Mesa, California. This Impala sedan features a freshly installed 327 cubic inch VV8 with Edelbrock high-rise intake, 4-barrel carburetor, upgraded exhaust and headers. It also has factory air conditioning and new upholstery. The odometer reads 61,000 miles, though the title is marked as rebuilt. The combination of performance upgrades and comfort features make this Impala a versatile classic, suitable for both weekend cruising and enthusiast-level tinkering. Number 12, 1967 Plymouth Barracuda Fastback, $23,500, Kennewick, Washington. A striking purple fastback, this Barracuda boasts a rebuilt 400 cubic inch V8, 727 automatic transmission, and sure grip rear end. Approximately 800 miles have been logged since it's a complete restoration, with the interior rated 9/10 and the exterior 8/10. It runs and drives excellently with 3-inch dual exhaust for a muscular sound. As a second-generation Barracuda, it offers Mopar muscle in a sleek fastback package, ideal for those seeking a show-worthy yet drivable classic.